Welcome back to Los Pandas, and today I am going to be showing you another video of my slimes, and it's so beautiful. Oh, so this is so stretchy and it's like crunchy, fartable. So cool, I like it. And I have a container in this one. And all of these stuff that I just have in here, like all of my ingredients.
You better watch that thing. You're not watching. What thing?
All of these ingredients.
I'll put them in here.
Ooh. So, yeah, so pretty. It's just like a bowl. Yeah, and I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look at the notifications bell, and if you click on that, then you'll get notified every time I post a new video, or my little sister, or my whole family. And yeah, and comment down below if you ever have a slime like this, or if you ever made a slime, or if you ever have the same ingredient or the same color like this. So comment down below. Thank you. Bye.